New Year is here, and that also means we must push away all the bad luck and mishaps so that we can have a smooth sailing 2025. So here I am, Sifu POP is going to teach you 5 ways to counter mishaps if it happens in your life. Let's go! Daijahou, Sifu POP here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to push all the bad luck away. Tips number 1. When you are enjoying your meal with your friends but suddenly spill water on your phone, then it's bad. So the solution is use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! Because this phone has IP68 water and dust resistant, so if you spill water on your phone, just wipe it away and bad luck will go away. You happy washing dishes and then you get a call, but your fingers are wet, you can't use the phone. Then it is bad, so the solution is use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! Because it has Wet Touch 2.0 feature that allows us to use the phone even when our hands are wet. So now you'll be able to pick up the call and earn money. Hurrah! One day, you are rushing and put the phone in the same pocket as your keys. And then you take it out and realize it's scratched. Then it's bad luck. So the solution is use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! It uses the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and that also means your phone is protected from daily scratches, from keys or even drop. Like this, you will be protected from bad luck throughout the whole year. Every day we see new things in life, but sometimes we might see something but unsure what they are or need more info, but you have no one to ask. Then how? Use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! Now with Circle to Search, you can find out more about anything you see on your phone. Just circle and you'll be able to know more on Google. New Year is the best time to travel, and what if you're traveling outside and you don't know what the foreigners say? Then how? Use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! Now with AI translation, you can have back-to-back conversation with foreigners and AI will translate it instantly on your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, like this. Apakah pekerjaan Anda?
你做什么工作？
我是位摄影师。
Saya seorang juru gambar.
Anda dari mana?
你从哪儿来？
我是吉隆坡人。
Saya dari Kuala Lumpur.
So boys and girls, have you learned how to push away mishaps and also bad luck away for the new year? Yes! Use the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G! Price only starts from 1699 and you'll be able to have the solution for everything in your life.